My dear brothers and sisters, welcome. Swami Vivekananda was the one who heralded the grandeur of Indian yoga dimension to the world at large through his famous speech in Chicago. You know when? 9/11, 1893. And yoga got a new fillip to spread throughout the world through his words and work. Inspired by his teachings and the solutions he has given to meet the challenges of the modern era, we took up this entire process of bringing yoga into the academic dimension. And there emerged Swami Vivekananda Yoga Anusandhana Samsthan, S. Vyasa, a yoga university of its uniqueness in 2002 in India. After very substantial growth of S. Vyasa, which is growing more and more, the campus called Prashanti Kutiram, about 100 acres, has started blossoming like a beautiful flower. And thousands of students come here, they undergo this training of the yoga programs at the certificate level, diploma level, bachelor degree, master's degree and doctoral program, and we have a rich tradition of research. Anusandhana means research, and that is the whole growth of S. Vyasa over the last almost 20 years. With the growth of S. Vyasa Yoga University, there was a need for people to learn these things all over the world. So United States came forward, and our friends and colleagues all have started bringing this dimension through a unique university which is called Vivekananda Yoga University, VAYU. And VAYU is the first yoga university that has been approved by the BPPA in California, which is going to grow nicely to bring this wisdom base of holistic vision of yoga to people at large in United States. VAYU now offers the master's program in yoga, and this is the one that's going to bring the whole wisdom base of research as well as academic dimensions of yoga throughout the United States and probably all over the world. Vyasa movement has started spreading throughout the world, in Japan, in China, in Singapore, in various countries, in almost 120 countries Vyasa movement has spread, and this will all be charged by the wonderful wisdom base that VAYU is going to spread. So VAYU has tremendous scope to spread all over the globe, with California at its base in Los Angeles is going to shape up in a very new dimension. In the United States, the research is promoted on yoga by our collaboration with MD Anderson Cancer Center in UCSF and many other universities. And we have done extensive work and published research papers, and if you count the number, it will be more than 800 research papers today, and this is the base of the university which we are launching. And this is the most relevant thing, because in modern times we have to combine the best of the East with the best of the West. Best of the East is yoga and its applications, and best of West is the modern scientific research. We want evidence base everywhere, and we want to bring this integrative dimension of healthcare to world at large, bringing allopathy or the modern medicine along with all other systems of yoga, Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, homeopathy, Ayush systems. That's how we are going to grow in future.